Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss this example. Okay, so in my previous video I have already explained you the equations reducible to linear form type 3. So this is example of type 3 and we are going to solve this problem with the method which I explained you in a previous video. Okay, so no need to worry if you didn't watch my previous video. I'm going to revise the method and with the help of that we are going to solve this problem, right? So let me tell you the standard format first. The standard format of equations reducible to linear form is f dash of x dx by dy plus f of x p dash is equal to q dash, right? So this is a standard format of equations reducible to linear form, right? Type 3. See, definitely the given differential equation is not given in its standard format. So we need to convert it. Okay. So maybe some of you will think at a time of examination, how to identify the given problem belongs to which type. Okay. So see, when you have dx by dy or dy by dx, definitely it is problem of linear differential equation, dx by dy or dy by dx, right? If you have some other format like this problem, getting? So you may think for exact differential equation, right? In that way also you can solve, or variable separable format, that thing also you can solve. So it is not compulsory that the given problem should be solved by this method only. There are multiple methods to solve the same problem and it is quite possible. The same problem you can solve with the help of exact, non-exact method, or the problem can be solved using linear format also. Okay, whatever the simple method you can follow it, right? So see, what will I do? I will try to convert this problem in this format. Okay, so for that what I need to do, I want dx by dy, right? Dx by dy, this is the standard format. So here I will divide both sides by dy, so I will get here dx by dy. So yeah, what will I get? So let me write directly. We have I'm dividing both sides by dy, so e raised to x plus 1, I'm dividing by dy, so dx by dy plus y e raised to y minus x e raised to x, dy will get cancelled here and is equal to 0, right? So now here we have three terms. This is the first term, this is second term, and this is third term. But see, in the standard format, two terms lie in the left hand side and a single term lies in the right hand side. So the same pattern we need to bring here, right? So see, out of these three terms, which term shall I shift it on that side? So let us see the standard format. Q dash, which is function of y only, that should be in the right hand side. Okay, so what is the function of y only? Y e raised to y, that is a function of y only. So let me shift it on that side. So let us do. So therefore e raised to x plus 1 dx by dy minus x e raised to x, this is equal to minus y e raised to y. So I got it, right? F dash of x dx by dy, some function dx by dy, f of x, function of x, so its derivative must be this one. Getting that? You can see here f of x, whatever the function you get here, its derivative must be the multiple of dx by dy. So x e raised to x, its derivative should be here. P dash, some function of y should be here. There is no any y, so you can consider this minus 1 also as a p dash. Q dash, which is function of y, so this is a q dash. Okay, so what will I do? I think this format we have already got here. So let me check simply the derivative of x raised to x is this one or not. Let me check in rough. So we are finding the derivative of x raised to x. So there is a product of two functions. So that's why I should use product rule to find derivative. First into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first. So x derivative of e raised to x plus e raised to x derivative of x, right? So this is equal to x, derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x plus e raised to x, derivative of x is 1, right? Tell me, can I take anything common? Yes, e raised to x we can take definitely common. So e raised to x will be taken common, x plus 1. See, the same thing we have got, right? That means whatever the function we have got its derivative as a multiple of dx by dy. That means this format we have already achieved here. Okay, so let us move further. After that, what we do, whatever the function we got here, we replace it by u. We are going to put that f of x is equal to u. Let us do. Putting f of x is equal to u. So let me call it as equation number 1. Okay, in differential equation or in double or triple integration, when you put anything, okay, when you put anything, you must find its derivative in next step. So let us find its, okay, f of x. F of x means x e raised to x. Now I suppose to write putting x e raised to x is equal to u. So I'm putting this one, so its derivative should be calculated in the next step. The derivative we have already got, so let me write directly e raised to x, x plus 1, right? I have already calculated that derivative here, so that's why I'm writing directly. If you do not write this thing, then in examination you're supposed to write the all steps here, okay? So yes, derivative of x raised to x is this one, but see here we are finding derivative with respect to y. So derivative of x with respect to y supposed to write here. Let us think about right hand side u. Its derivative with respect to y is du by dy. That means the first term, you can easily see whatever the first term we have got, the same term we have got here, and I'm going to replace it by du by dy. Then one becomes, let us see what will happen. This is du by dy, right? This term will be replaced by du by dy minus x e raised to x is u, and this is minus y e raised to y. So now this problem it's converted into type 1, okay, equations reducible to linear form type 1. So the same method I'm going to follow to find its answer, okay. So I need a more space to solve this problem, so let me remove this part. Okay, so let me note down our p dash and q dash. Here p dash, see p dash means multiple of this u, getting now, it must be a function of y, but see y is not there or any function of y is also not there. So whatever the constant, minus 1 is a constant which is a multiple of u, so our p dash is minus 1. Q dash, so q dash is again function of y which appears in right hand side, so this is my q dash minus y e raised to y. So yes, finally we got p dash and q dash, okay. So after that we go for integrating factor, that will be the second last step, and last step will be the solution. So let us do integrating factor. What is the formula of integrating factor? E raised to integration p dash dy, so this is equal to e raised to integration, my p dash is minus 1 dy. So you know that minus 1 is a constant, so it will come outside the integration. And what is the integration of dy? It is y. So our integrating factor is e raised to minus y. Okay, so let us go for the last step, which is solution. Solution is u e raised to integration p dash dy is equal to integration e raised to integration p dash dy q dash dy plus c. Actually we supposed to write x here, but see the differential equation we have got in terms of u, so that's why I'm writing u there. Let us put the values u. What is its value we have got? E raised to minus y. Integration, it is again e raised to minus y. Q dash, where is my q dash? Which is minus y e raised to y dy plus c. So minus sign is a constant, so I will take it outside. Y will be there. E raised to minus y e raised to y. So e raised to minus y plus y dy plus c. So when you have the base same, you can add powers if there is a multiplication between them. So same thing it happened here. So e is a base and multiplication is there, so I added powers. Minus y plus y will get cancelled and you will get e raised to 0. Getting? Let me show here. E raised to 0 minus y plus 1 plus y cancel. E raised to 0, which is 1. So its value will be 1. That means simply you will have integration y dy plus c. So value of u, we should write here. What is value of u? X e raised to x. So x e raised to x, value of u e raised to minus y. So x e raised to, so again there is a multiplication, okay, and the base is same, you can add powers. X plus minus y, that means you will get x minus y minus, what is integration of y? It is y square by 2. The integration of y is y square by 2. So here I use this formula I'm sure you are familiar with this formula, but if you don't know, let me write here. Integration of x raised to n is x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. This formula used to find its integration plus c. That's it. So this is final answer. Okay. So this is the final answer of this problem. Okay. So if you have really understood this problem, so then I'm going to give you one practice problem for you. Okay. You have to try for that problem. If you have any difficulty, you can watch my next video. In that video, I'm going to cover the solution of that problem. Okay. Just make a screenshot of it and be ready to get exercise problem. So this is practice problem for you. Try for it. If you do not get the answer, or if you get the answer and if you want to cross check your answer, then you can watch my next video. Thank you. See you in next video.